So, you have an old 3-buy and want to upgrade it so you could be a real OneBuyer? Great, here is the quickest tutorial. Let's get started. Chain is the first one. No matter which model, no real difference here. Then the chain ring. If you are on a budget, then the cranks could remain just by the narrow wide ring which fits. Then the shifter. This is the only part which should be XT, because of the multi-release. Don't forget these plastic rings to put under the older I-Spec 2 brake levers. Then the hub, no matter what model. Derailleur is absolutely no matter which, go for the one which is in stock. The cassette is another piece which could be deore, only weight difference, and even that is negligible. And the most important part is this little spacer which will go under the right crank arm, if you had a 34 tooth chainring. So let's start the work. Remove the crank and the 3 chain rings, install the new one, put it back on its place and check if it touches the frame. If yes, you will need a spacer like this one. Install it and it will be okay, even with a 34 teeth chainring. Any bigger than this could be a problem, so do not recommend it on an old bike. Now install the shifter and put some grease on the shifter cable. Now the derailleur and you are nearly done. Place back the true axle to set up the shifter, until your friend runs to the local bike shop to buy new spokes because you just realized that the new hub needs different sized spokes. After this issue, your bike is ready and you are a legit OneBuyer. Congrats! Now get the f out and pedal that bike to the hills. Cheers!